Hello. For this assignment, I will present the network and service configuration I performed on my Windows Server 2022. And my first step was to investigate the network parts of the server. And for this, I used the command prompt with the netstat ANO command, and that showed me all the listed listening ports and port that I waiting. And then for this list, I focus on two ports I found and especially insightful for a domain server, which is the port 53 and the port 88. The port 53, and this is this port is my moment was that I realized that it is the standard for the domain names systems, and since of service is in Active Directory of the domain controller, DNS it's it is like it's hard, and the port 88, a little further down we find the 88 port. This port catch my attention because it is directly linked to Kerberos, the main authentication protocol for Active Directory. And my deep understanding came from realizing that this port is the key to security in your domain. And Kerberos is the primary authentication method and is essential for security and for the second, the multi-factor authentication, like a single sign-on for user to the domain. And okay, and then I have to investigate the services, and I went to services, and I realized that there is a service called Kerberos Key Distribution Centers, and and this and this is the service that is running on my controllers, and also works with the port 88 that we found in this list. And as this if and this it is and if this service is stopped, user will be able to log on to the network. If the service is disabled and the services we explicitly depend on it will fail to start. And also I I found the DNS service, and DNS service is a is also is using also the port 53, and it's used for the domain name resolutions. And as says, if this service is disabled, any service that explicitly depend on it will fail to start. So it will be difficult to find a web a web browser web page because the domain resolution will fail. And also I had to configure a fiber rules. So there is inbound rules and outbound rules. As you can see, this is my inbound rules that I created, and you can disable it just clicking in this button or right click on it and disable rule. And my aha moment was that The firewall rules open a, is flexibility in order to configure which port you will be allowed to the network or inbound or outbound connections. And then I had to automatic a schedule task. So I go to the task schedule and I created my daily check task. You can see the author is the administrator, and my home moment was understanding the power of automation with the role as a system admin, and I like the way that this reduce the risk of vulnerabilities when you check the updates periodically, and system administrator can move for, from reactive to proactive way to avoid critical elements for maintaining long-term health and security of these servers. Uh, that's all. Thank you.